Hey guys, Garth Balian here. So we did a tour of the bay in a previous video. I'll link it in the description. Let's do a quick office tour. Keep in mind I've only been here 8 months, so yeah, actually there's no excuse. It should be better than what it is. It's kind of crappy. Anyways, let's check it out. Okay, see, gross mat already, but let's go through the entrance here. It's an industrial area here, so it's not the best area, but I mean, you go where you can afford, I suppose. The location isn't bad, just like the specific area isn't great. Anyway, you come in here, step on the gross mat, walk over the gross carpet. It will have to be replaced at some point, that's for sure. Little cocktail table. I mean, first let's do a little panorama. Okay, that's the reception desk there. That's the door to the bay or shop portion. And that's a little waiting area for kids, I guess. And that's like a shelf full of random retail items. I threw that on like 2 months ago. It looks terrible. And there's a closet, which it also looks terrible. Yeah. I put like spare retail parts in there. Culligan bottles. I mean, clients don't really open that, but something needs to be done. I don't know, cover this up somehow. I made this today, because I was like, the wall looks horrible. I did repaint it, but it's too light of a color. I think I need a darker gray. I think I'll take this also, and I'll make like a couple more. I do have the wood for it. Or even more, to make like some sort of feature thing going on. And then I'll put rocks and soil and plants in them. I don't know, I'll try that. Yeah, my wife did this. She came over, she was bored. I had the log eventually, then this table looked good. Kept the log in there because I guess I'm lazy. This is bad. So this fridge should be full. It just generally looks better when something is full. Looks like the business is popping. This fridge is full, and this is both these are empty. So Culligan's empty, and this is empty. So that's terrible. But I usually try to keep it full. But I've been like in the wintertime, like there's like only a couple people a day that come, so I've been drinking it myself. So I'm grabbing it for delivery. Yeah, you can see I had spare jars here because I was just making that. Kind of looks cool, eh? Anyway, reception desk. Also sort of concocted that. I just threw a door on top of like these two cabinets. I just sort of put together and stuck this sheet on, and then these pieces of wood. But these cabinets are actually like two separate units. As you can see, this is on both sides of them. So it was meant like a library thing. Yeah. Printer there, some files. I keep my like invoices there. Who's paid, who's doing a delivery. Yeah, little area to sit. Mostly I stand. I think it's healthier. I don't know, but occasionally I do sit down. Computer. This I bought used. Again, like I don't have infinite money, so I'm trying to save. This was a huge savings because new reception desks were like $1,000. Even used ones were $500-600. So I sort of just made that. Those cabinets were $20 each. And the rest of the material, I think like the door was $20 as well, this top part. The glass was more expensive. I think that's like $100 and some. So I think in total just over $300. Some basic tablecloth that we carry. We only have 3 colors with like 4 different sizes. Most of them half drop, so they go halfway down the table. But we have it for the 8-foot, the 6-foot, and the round. This doesn't look great. It looks better than that. But in general, I had to figure something out with these retail items. I have no idea what I'll do. With this closet, maybe I'll rip it out and have just more space. Oh. Anyways, that's the office. Lighting is okay. Actually, it's pretty good. There's a stain there. There was way more stainage here. I don't know, perhaps this place was sitting vacant for a while. I'm not sure. I replaced these panels, so there must be a slow drip from the ceiling, because that's definitely new. Yeah, these panels weren't even. I had to sort of adjust they sort of are held on by strings that go to the higher ceiling. And yeah, that's the office. So hopefully that gives you an idea of things. And anyways, guys, subscribe. I'm definitely gonna have more videos, and yeah, hopefully we succeed. Yeah, that's normal. All right, take it easy.